Racing just started with Alpi. Break quickly to start. Anino rushing up on the outside. Battle Cha-Cha. Habsburg Empire in the middle portion. Joem's Girl. Hill's Pet comes next. Then followed by 10-17. Metamorphosis more or less is running by the rail, while Rahabago is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader, racing down the backstretch. Now we have Anino by about 3 lengths, and in second, Alpi. Moving up on the outside is Joem's Girl, Habsburg Empire, Battle Cha-Cha, Hill's Pet. Then here comes Metamorphosis, now moving up down on the inside. Then comes 10-17 more or less, while Rahabago is still racing in last inside the tres octavo. We have Anino enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Alpi. Metamorphosis is running by the rail. Battle Cha-Cha now to take fourth. Then comes Joem's Girl, Hill's Pet, 10-17 Habsburg Empire more or less, while Rahabago is still racing in last, and Diana entering the home stretch. Anino by about 3 lengths. Metamorphosis in second. Battle Cha-Cha is on the outside. Last 100 meters, Anino followed by Metamorphosis, Battle Cha-Cha, and finally it's an upset by Anino over Metamorphosis, Battle Cha-Cha, Hill's Pet, 10-17 more or less.
Okay mga kaibigan, we have an upset here with entry number 8. That is Anino. Ayan, upset po tayo. Masa segundo dito, numero 7 na.